Hello viewers, my name is Efra Chukwemene and I'm here to talk about the growing pessimism about marriage. So many young people, are scared to get into marriage relationship, and that is because of what they have heard. Some of them say they're afraid of the conflict in marriage. Some say they are afraid of divorce. Some say they are even scared maybe the spouse they want to get married to might even change because of time, so they will not have that satisfaction that they want in marriage. So many things are reasons, so many factors contribute to why so many of you are not married. But the truth is, some of us who are married know that you can't anticipate everything before you get married. Marriage is a beautiful thing. Marriage is the most rewarding union ever created by God. There's no other union in the whole universe that is more satisfying than the marriage relationship. Yes, conflict will arise, but the ability to resolve the conflict is what matters most. So if you think you want to get to know everything about someone before you get married, then you're going to stay for 100 years not even getting to know everything about an individual. But I love the admonition President Thomas S. Monson gave. Thomas S. Monson once taught that we should fear not in that note, for the future is as bright as your faith. So how bright is your faith? Think about it. Don't be afraid of marriage. You can't anticipate every battle that will happen to you in marriage. So just like we can't anticipate how the lecturers will behave to us while in school, we can't anticipate how many carriers we're going to have, we can't anticipate how many A's we're going to have, but we'll take a step of faith by getting admission. So also we do in marriage. We'll get married and everything will work out if you have faith in the Savior Jesus Christ.